Hi everyone, it's me Steve. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. It will mean a lot to me if you can subscribe my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. In today's videos, we are going to do unboxing. Ta-da! We're going to talk about Boxycharm Premium Box for September. See if it is worth the money. Something very special is coming from Yibu Beauty. Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder for Yibu Beauty. Shortly, we will make a very special new product announcement. So special and so amazing, you won't want to miss it. Only Yibu Mail subscriber will receive a special promo code at the checkout after the new product announcement. Trust me, you don't want to miss out this special offer and the new product announcement. To subscribe, simply to do the following things. Number 1. Go to yibubeauty.com. Number 2. Scroll all the way to the very bottom of a home page. Number 3. Enter your email address in the box and click subscribe. You have my word, we will not flood your email box with the stuff that you don't need. Only the very special announcement from Yibu Beauty. Thank you, and I can't wait to show you our new product announcement. We are offering a special giveaway. All you need to do is to sign up Yibu Mail. We will randomly select 5 lucky winners to receive your very own Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer. See below for more information. Okay, so Boxycharm, just so you know that I am not on their affiliation or anything like that. I'm not that big blogger yet, so I pay for this myself. So I really just explain to you the different boxes they have and why I like Boxycharm, okay? So Boxycharm offers 3 different boxes. They are monthly subscriptions. 2 out of 3 are monthly and 1 is quarterly. So the basic box is just called Boxycharm. It's $25. I mean, here, my notes right here. It's a value up to $175, and there are about 5 items. You can pick 1 item. And premium box is $10 more, $35, up to $215. Total 6 items. You can choose 2 items. Luxe box is their most premium box for Boxycharm. It only happens quarterly, $49.99, and 8 items. You can choose up to 2 items. So this is the next shelf of the Boxycharm. I subscribe a lot of beauty box, and I do believe that Boxycharm is one of the best. And I hear people say, oh, sometimes they give you really old product, but I also give really new item like rare beauty stuff, you know, Sunday Riley. So I think for the price you pay, it's not bad at all. I mean, come on. If you say, well, I only want to get an item I really want, then I will tell you, don't get any subscription. Don't get any subscription box. Just pay for full price. But if you're looking for a deal, this is good. It's not bad at all. Okay, so this is $35. Let me put on my glasses because I can see nothing. Oh, hi. I can see you now. Okay. So the premium box, it will tells you right there on the box right here. This month is very light. Very light. So there are 6 items in here. So I have my notes right here. So BTS, I guess, is back to school. I think that's what it means. Okay, so let's just kind of see what I have here, okay? The first item is by Tarte Seed. Let's see, what is this? So this is a Tarte Sea Glotion Skin Perfections. It's $32. See, this box is $35. This is already $32. And what is this? So it's a primer. Let's open this. Wow, this box is really nice. I like the opening right here, and it has a really nice like satin texture. It is a cruelty-free and vegan skincare. So, okay. This product has a lot of good ingredients. Let's see. Has a vitamin B, amino acid, and let's see, algae, and oh no, yeah, that's the hero ingredients. And this here is 1.35 ounces. Let's open this up real quick. So it's brand new. I want to see how this feels on the skin. It's come out like a peach colored. And when you blend in, hold on, you don't see anything. That just tint, but there's no pigment in there. There's no smell. Very moisturizing. It doesn't feel like there's silicone on there. It's lightweight. Okay, so I definitely will give this a try. And I think this is lotion, so I think this is gonna be more for glowing, give that skin a nice glow. Okay, that's not bad. Definitely give it a try. Just so you guys know that for me, I prefer get more skincare than makeup, and I believe that when you subscribe the box, you have an option to choose that from. Okay. The next product is by Tang Lux. And this is Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Self-Tan Serum. Ooh, self-tan. It's wait. Summer, it's over. Today is the first day of fall. But it's okay, we can still use that. It's $49. And it's hyaluronic acid, superfood self-tan serum. So I am not gonna put this on my skin because I don't want a self-tan, but this self-tan serum. Interesting. Well, I wish they would get this a little earlier. You know, self-tan should be happening in summertime. And whoa, this is $49. Okay, let's see next item. This one's by Hey Honey. I really like the company name. It's a treated berry lip balm with natural tint. So it's $23 lip balm. Boxycharm exclusive. I do know this. Sometimes the company will create products specially designed for a beauty box, and they will usually call that out so you know. So this is kind of like a berry colors. See that? Okay, let me just put it right here. Just do I smell berry? Sometimes I love. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Hope. Oh, it tastes yummy. It has a very light hint, but not too much. Okay, I like that. The box is very pretty though. You know, guys, like, because I own my company now, I'm always looking at other companies' box, you know, and the packaging. Okay, so that's good. And this is, like I say, is a $23. So the next item we have here, it's by Complex Culture. It's the Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Oh my god, I love all the tool. And this is, whoa, $58. This is Sonic Power Tool Deliver modern facial massage, including increased blood circulation, reduced puffiness. Oh, I totally need that. Oh wow. No battery. Okay, I need to put my battery in there. So this is kind of like the rose gold colors, and then this Sonic Mini is a Sonic pulse, a kind of vibration. And so when you put a serum, you can just glide into the skin. There's so many tools like this right now. They are pretty good. Recently, I just did a video. Oh yeah, for the nighttime treatment, I was using similar tool, but with the rose quartz on there. So basically the same thing. They do the same thing. It's just different material, and they use to deliver the product into the skin. So this is kind of nice. Can't wait to give this to try. The last, wait, there's one more. Okay, there's two items. This is by Bite Beauty. It's $25. It's a long wear liquid eyeliner. Okay, I just take a look real quick. Okay, so this is more, it's more like a sponge tip right here. You can create a really sharp line. I'm not gonna try that. It's eyeliner. I mean, seriously, right? So, okay, that's how much is this? $25. The last item is a $45 by Seafoam Botanical Rhubarb and Rose Cream Lip and Cheek Palette. It's vegan and cruelty free. I like the fact that, you know, you can use for the lip, for the cheek all you want. It's pretty easy. Oh, this is nice. They have 5 colors right here. You can see that. Not bad. Okay, so I mean, I think this box of overall, it's not too bad at all. And I wish I get more skincare, but things to me is more, they are all more for color, towards the color. But it did give me this really cool massage tool. And you guys know that I'm really big on skincare for 40 plus because I'm in my late 40 right now, so it's very important to find skincare and a tool to help me to look younger. Any massage tool is really, really fantastic. And I truly believe the massage tool will work as long as you do it on a regular basis. Alright, so I like everything, but would I use all of them? No, I won't. I mean, I'm not really using too much color stuff anyway. But definitely this will be something I'll be using right away. And really interesting to see Tarte C Primer. This is really good, and I love the lip balm. Oh, that's almost everything. Alright, thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.